Hey friends, welcome back to the Gentleman's Journey and happy Thanksgiving. Guys, I'm popping in right after your turkey just to let you know about this 1620 flash sale. Now guys, I work with a lot of brands, have a lot of gear, and I'm so proud to work with 1620. It's an American company with hard-working gear for hard-working men and women. But guys, we're talking about these hoodies. They're gonna be having a deal tomorrow, Black Friday, 20% off. You wanna make sure and check out my videos on both of these hoodies. Friends, this stuff is gonna dry a lot quicker than your regular cotton fabric. It has reinforced cordura throughout where you need it, and I go through and break down all the nuts and bolts. I get a lot of the comments from guys saying it's just out of their price range. That's why I wanted to make sure and just give you guys an opportunity to know about this sale. So tomorrow on Black Friday, they're offering 20% off. Now guys, that's really gonna help some of you get into their pants. Guys, this is what brought me to the company. They have these hard-working pants. All of this is that Cordura fabric. I would love for y'all to run these up against your Duluth, up against your Carhartt, and just give them a go for 6 months, you know? Friends, they are at a higher price point, and that's why I really think that's gonna help you. And if you don't get a chance to do it tomorrow, check out Cyber Monday. It's gonna be 25% out. Now guys, if you're watching this video way out into the future and you miss these deals, make sure and use Gentleman10 as a promo code, and it'll give you 10% off. As always, when I do these brand deals, I want to make sure that everybody wins. The company wins, I win, and of course you guys win. So friends, again, I don't do this stuff too much, but I love this company and I'm happy to work with them. If you're interested at all, take another minute, check out my 2 videos. I did one on the pants and I did one on these hoodies. See if there's not something on the website for you. Anyways, guys, get ready for that pumpkin pie and all those yummy desserts, and we'll get back with you in a little bit. Until the next video, don't forget to give those boots some love from time to time.